Our experience of working with IBL Infotech has been wonderful. Our project started together with them back at the beginning of last year, which involves educational technology, and we've really managed to push forward our product and services. We've always got great advice from them. Anytime we've asked for a new feature to be updated, they're very quick in doing so. The support that they've given us from the very beginning of the project has been excellent, and we really look forward to working with them in upcoming projects in the very near future. So yeah, we'd just like to thank everybody at IBL Infotech, and we highly recommend this company to anybody who's looking to improve their services and further their business.